a beautiful sculpture marks the entrance to Fish Hoek Beach. On arriving at the beach, you will first have to cross over this railway crossing. It is a single line from here all the way through to Simonstown, but always enter with caution. Fish Hoek Beach is a magnificent stretch of sand, and it runs all the way through to Cove Valley. But our mission today is to take a nice leisurely stroll down the promenade. Now, this promenade was built in 1930 and was suggested by a mayor at the time, and it is now called Jagers Walk after Herman Scott Jager, and it's also commonly known as the Catwalk. It is about 1 kilometer long, and it runs all the way on the side of the beach, on the south side, to Sunny Cove station. It's a very peaceful stroll, and this elevated promenade is just awesome. There are so many seats and benches along the way, a lot of them in memory of past residents of Fish Hoek. But it really is a leisurely walk, and the granite rocks all along the way are quite fascinating. There's a little rock pool called Skelly's Pool, and you'll see the rock formation there is like skeletons. It's like, the rocks have been eroded away. But just come along with us, enjoy this walk, enjoy the beautiful scenic view of the ocean over False Bay. And the day we chose was an absolutely awesome day. Windless day, small waves, clear sea, fantastic. And I hope you take the time and trouble to come out and do this for yourself if you haven't already done it. Our adventures are always there to help promote our beautiful Cape Town and what we have around us. Thank you for taking this walk with us, and I really hope you enjoy it.